Hi, my name is Mir. I am a stupid idiot person, and today I would like to show you how I make the Pan-Galactic Gargle Blaster. Wait, no, that's the real one. This is how I make the Pan-Alaskan Gargle Blaster. There is no alcohol, just way too much Mountain Dew. So let's begin. First, what you're gonna need is a double extra large gas station drink cup. I highly recommend the clear ones because otherwise you can't really see what's in there, which I don't like. And then next, you're going to get some ice. I don't know how well any of this is coming across. Anyway, these are the ingredients. Tang powder, lemon juice, blue Mountain Dew, red Mountain Dew, and ginger beer. You can also use club soda or tonic water. If you are lame, it just has to be something kind of bitter. That's the rule. This is where the bitterness comes from. It's got to be bitter. Okay, moving on. Let's get some space in here so we can see what we're doing. So I'm just going to take 4 ice cubes. These 2 conveniently came out in one thing. There's one more. And that makes 4. And I am going to put those back in the freezer. I'm definitely not going to forget. I might even top them off while I'm at it. Anyway, there's our 4 ice cubes. We are going to shake the lemon juice thoroughly because that's what it says on the tin. And yep, I just bought this to do this because I haven't done this at this location yet because I had been holding myself back, but that is no longer an option. So let's just get the protective film off that, put the cap back on, pop her open, and do about that much lemon juice, just like a millimeter or 2 in the bottom, just enough to taste. And that is that for the lemon juice. Next, we're going to open our ginger beer. This probably doesn't say to shake it well. And in fact, you probably shouldn't because it's carbonated, but I live dangerously. Oh, I can smell the ginger. The trick with carbonated stuff is you can shake it as much as you want, as long as you let the pressure out very slowly. And that's the secret. As soon as you hear a hiss, you close it again tightly, and you just keep doing that until there's not really much of a hiss anymore. So anyway, we're just gonna put like about an inch in there. So it's about yeah, about like that, I'd say. Because we want it to be defining but not overwhelming, if that makes sense. So let me just close that off, and I will definitely remember to refrigerate this. Now for the fun part, the tang. I mean, it's all the fun part. The real fun part is the dew, which I'll show you how I do it. Pun intended. Anyway, so let's open our tang. And these small ones are annoying because they don't really have, like, a scoop. But I just want to put, like, a cubic inch or 2 in there. So probably about that much is good. Don't really want to overdo it. It's just kind of a unifying element to kind of offset the bitterness of the ginger or the club soda, again, if you want to be casual about this. So now for the really fun part. What we're going to do is open both cans of dew with either hand. And now they're open, and I can't really show you. Wait, yes I can. I have the powers of a god. Look at that. They're both open. And now what we're going to do is pour them at the same time. So let me put this back. Let me just... my tripod, my poor little tripod. It can't handle the truth. By the way, I have no viewfinder on this thing. The second screen of my phone is showing me nonsense cartoon faces because it thinks I'm trying to take a selfie, which is not completely wrong, but... whatever, we'll see how the angle is. If it's not bad, I can always redo it because I intend to get very Mountain Dewed out this weekend. Right, the fun part. The fun part is take them both up at the same time and we cross the streams. And that came right up to the top. See that? The bubbles came right up to the top. Just getting every last little drop out of these guys because, yeah. Yeah. And now, of course, we have to stir it thoroughly to just really dissolve that tang powder in. You can put the tang powder in after, but it's still gonna just kind of fall because it like clumps up and then falls. So you've really just kind of gotta stir it either way. That ginger is intense. I can't wait to try this. I haven't had one of these in such a long time. I just remember really caring for it. Alright, and that's probably good. So you can see how we've got kind of this murky orange suspension of all of the things that I showed putting in it. And the ice is already about half melted, which is great, because I don't actually like ice in my drinks. I just like the cold and the water. So anyway, there's nothing else left to do but try it out. Oh my god. Oh my paws, that is so good. Like I might be memeing, but this is genuinely one of the best ones of these I've ever done. It's sour, it's sweet, it's fizzy, it's cool. It has just the right amount of feeling like it's something horrible you're doing to yourself. But you can't stop, because it's so freaking good. It's just too good. I can't believe it, chat. Chat, is this... am I dying? Well, my headache's gone, so I'll take it. I was having huge caffeine withdrawals lately because I've been trying to quit. But as you can probably tell, tonight is the night I gave up on that. So, yeah. Bye.